Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use name credentials in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to setup so we can create our name credentials. Here in the quick find box, just search for named or type named credentials and we will find it. So as you can see, we don't have any named credentials. I'm just going to create new and you give it a label. And of course, we'll have our URL for our callouts. So my and give it a name, new credential, and here you will need to add a URL for your credential. And of course, it should use an authentication to somewhere, so basically, you already need to have an external credential. It can be a two oath or anything, and of course a client certificate that you will need to have. After that, you can choose the type of the callout. So would it be an HTTP header or in the HTTP body or some other type of connections. Then you will need just to save, and you will be able to start using these callouts using the credentials. So now we can go back to our external credential to use it in our credential. So those are the type of the authentication, as I said, either a 2.0 auth or a JSON token or any other type of authentication. So I'm just going to use a normal one and label m just names and click on save. And now we are having our external credential, and now we can create our credentials, and we have our external one. We can create a new, and we can add our external one that we have added, etc. And you will click save, and that's it. So basically this is how you create your credentials, etc. Thank you for watching and see you next time.